Okay, this is... These are like very good looking boys. Ugh, I would not date them.
There you go.
Look at them.
Oh yeah. Bring it down, bring it down. I gotta take off my hat.
Now take off your hat.
Guys, what are you doing? Why are you whipping stuff around? Guys, what is like whipping stuff around?
No, not yet. Oh man, just kidding, you have a long ponytail. Now you do. Good looking. Oh man, take off your hair.
Take off your hair. Review yourself. Okay, hold on.
Review yourself. Yay! Now good looking people. Okay, to end.